Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Professor Dr. SMA Irfan, a colorectal surgeon. Today I am here to talk about laser treatment for multiple fistulas. For a long time I have been successfully treating various anorectal diseases including piles, anal fissures, fistulas and pilonidal sinuses using laser technology. This is a painless, incision-free, bloodless and suture-free procedure. There are no dressings, no need for hot water sitz baths, and patients recover very quickly. This is a treatment that very few doctors in the world are performing successfully. Among these, fistula, especially multiple fistulas, can be very difficult to treat. Some patients have 2, 3, or even up to 5 fistulas due to various complications. The treatment for these multiple fistulas is extremely difficult and can be quite painful for the patient. We often see patients who have been going to doctors for months, even years for surgery. They may undergo surgery 2, 3, 4, or even 5 times. Even after all the pain, suffering, dressings, and hot water sitz baths, there is no guarantee that the patient will be cured. No doctor can give that assurance. In this situation, I offer an extraordinary laser treatment for these patients. Regardless of the number of fistulas, be it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, and no matter how complex or high level they are, I always treat them in a single session. And there are no incisions. None of the fistulas require any cutting. We simply insert a laser fiber into the fistula tract and apply a calculated amount of laser energy. When this laser energy is applied, the fistula ablates or closes. Through this process, we can successfully treat any number of fistulas without any incisions. After the procedure, the patient will not see or feel any changes because there are no cuts, just like before. There are no problems with bowel movements, sleeping or walking, as there are no incisions or wounds. There is usually no pain or discomfort. I have treated many patients with multiple fistulas, some of whom had undergone multiple previous surgeries, even by our own teachers. Patients who had surgery in India and failed have also come to me for treatment. I have also treated patients who had unsuccessful surgeries in Singapore, Bangkok, and the Middle East. I have operated on all of these patients in a single session, and Alhamdulillah, with your prayers, all of them have recovered well. In the case of multiple fistulas, perhaps only 1% of patients might experience a failure, which I then treat with a different method to ensure they are cured. So, it can be said that for patients with multiple or numerous fistulas, laser treatment is an extraordinary and blessed option. This is because these patients suffer so much that only those who have experienced it can understand. The fact that this can be done without any pain or suffering is something that many people find hard to believe. But I have done it, and all my patients are well. All the documentation is preserved with us. Interested individuals can see all our documents and even contact the patients if they consent. In short, we can treat all complex fistula patients with this laser method in a single session without any incisions or wounds. This is an extraordinary matter, and I wanted to share it with you so that those who are suffering from this disease can benefit. Thank you all.